Hey y'all, so if you watched my last video, you know that I recently cut my hair and I decided that I was going to start having more fun with it. Lately I've been seeing a lot of jumbo braids, faux locks, and Marley twists. I decided to try the Marley twist myself and I like the way they turned out, so here I am sharing with you how I installed them and a couple easy ways to style them. So this style can be achieved using Marley hair or yarn. In this video I'm going to show you how I use the yarn. The first thing you're going to want to do is measure and cut the yarn to the length of your liking, and then repeat the process a couple more times until you have enough yarn. If you can, try to cut the yarn as closely in length as possible, but if you can't, no worries, I'll show you exactly how to clean it up. So what you see me doing here is oiling and detangling my hair before I apply the yarn. You're going to divide the hair using a 2:3 ratio, making sure one of the sides, when you fold them over, is bigger than the other two sides. When you begin the braid, you're going to want to get as close to your scalp as possible, then attach your hair with the yarn in an under-upward motion, basically going under the yarn and then up and then under again, as if you're cornrowing your hair, but it's really just a braid. After you've done the braid, maybe an inch or so, you're going to begin twisting your hair. For the twist, you're going to group together two sections with the least amount of yarn and then twist that against the one with the large amount of yarn. Once you get to the bottom, you're going to take one of the individual strings of yarn, wrap it around the whole group of yarn, and then pull it through as tight as possible. You can repeat the process as many times as you like just to make sure it's secure. For a cleaner look, once you're done installing your twist, you're going to take some scissors, pull the loose strings, and just give it a snip. For a finished look, after I'm done cleaning up all the twists, I like to burn the ends. To do this, I take my scissors and I cut under where I applied the knot. Then I take my lighter and I burn about an inch or two up the twist, blow it, and rub the twist between my fingers. And voila! Ways to style the twist are up next. Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested to see other styles that I try out, be sure to subscribe. See you next time.